Bonjour! Welcome back to Hmong Culture Camp's Untitled series, Tshiab, and today we will be reading a book called LOJ-LARGE, written by Mary Moa and illustrated by Leanne Kismowski. Are you guys ready? Let's get started! This is HMONTUJ. HMONTUJ. HMONTUJ stands for night. Can you guys say it with me? HMONTUJ. This is DUANHU, which means day. DUANHU. This little boy is Tshiab, which means happy. Tshiab. Can you guys say it with me? Tshiab. Good job. This little boy is sad. He is Tshiab. Can you guys say it with me? Tshiab. So this boy's jar of marbles is Tshiab, which means hi. Tshiab. Can you guys say it with me? Tshiab. This boy's marbles are very low, which means qi. Qi means low. Can you guys say it with me? Qi. Again, qi. This cup of water is hot. Hot in Hmong is gu. Gu. Can everyone say it with me? Gu. Good job. This cup of water is very cold. And cold in Hmong is Tshiab. Can you guys repeat after me? Tshiab. One more time. Tshiab. This baby is very young. Young in Hmong is LOA. LOA. Everyone say it with me. LOA. This grandma is very old. Old in Hmong is lao. Repeat after me. Lao. Good job. Can everyone see the person at the back? That person is very far. And very far means day. Say it with me. Day. This person is very close. And close in Hmong means zhe. Can you guys repeat after me? Zhe. One more time. Zhe. So this pig is very large. Large in Hmong means law. Can everyone say it with me? Law. One more time. Law. Good job. This pig is very skinny. Skinny in Hmong means yaw. Can you say it with me? Yaw. One more time. Yaw. Great job. It's very noisy. Noisy in Hmong means taung jay. Can you guys say it with me? Taung jay. One more time. Taung jay. Very quiet now. Quiet in Hmong means jia ta. Jia ta. The boy's shirt is very wet. Wet in Hmong is du. Du. The shirt is drying in the wind. So dry in Hmong means QHUAV. Can everyone repeat after me? QHUAV. One more time. QHUAV. Thanks for watching. 新知多